We often believe financial education empowers us, a cornerstone for success. But what if this very system, meant to guide us, is fundamentally flawed? What if financial education is, in fact, designed to fail you? Traditional financial lessons often dwell in theory, equations on a blackboard. They teach abstract concepts, far removed from daily financial realities. How do these theories translate to paying bills or making real investments? The curriculum is often one-size-fits-all, ignoring diverse individual needs. It overlooks unique circumstances, cultural contexts, and varying income levels. Financial challenges are personal, yet the education remains standardized. Financial landscapes evolve rapidly, but education often lags behind. We're taught with outdated models, unprepared for today's fintech and crypto. The slow pace of updates leaves us vulnerable in a dynamic world. Who designs these curricula? Sometimes, institutions with vested interests. They might promote specific products or ideologies, not always in your best interest. This bias can subtly shape our understanding of financial independence. Beyond the numbers, our emotions heavily influence financial decisions. Yet, behavioral finance, the psychology of money, is rarely taught. We learn about markets, but not about our own cognitive biases. Financial well-being isn't just individual effort. Systemic issues play a huge role. Housing crises, student debt, global economic squeeze are often ignored. Education places the burden solely on us, overlooking broader factors. It's time to question the status quo and demand better. We need a critical, personalized, and up-to-date approach to financial literacy. Don't just accept what's taught. Question, research, and seek diverse knowledge. True financial empowerment comes from understanding the whole picture.